Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through some of the best free image-to-video AI tools available. If you're looking to turn your images into stunning videos with ease, then stick around because I'm going to show you just how simple and effective this process can be, all for free. In this video, we're going to use a powerful AI tool called Pixverse. AI that helps transform still images into dynamic videos. I'm going to explain it step by step so that you can follow along easily. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you can use any browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Pixverse AI. This is one of the best free image-to-video AI tools, and it's super easy to use. Once you've loaded the Pixverse website, you'll see their homepage. Now, click on the Try Pixverse AI button at the top. This will take you to the main interface, where all the magic happens. Now that we're inside Pixverse, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. You'll notice a Create button left at the corner of the screen. This is what we'll use to start our project. Go ahead and click on Create. After that, it'll ask you to upload an image. Let's choose an image from your computer, anything will do for now. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be ready to start transforming it into a video. Alright, now that your image is uploaded, it's time to add some animation to it. In the right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a section where you can type a prompt. This prompt will instruct the AI on how to animate your image. For this demonstration, I'm going to type, move right to left. You can be as creative as you want here. Pixverse allows for all kinds of custom animations. Whether you want zoom-ins, zoom-outs, or movements in specific directions, it's all possible. Next, you'll want to adjust the duration of the video. This determines how long the animation will last. I'm going to set mine to 10 seconds, but you can choose any duration that suits your needs. Now, let's move on to the quality settings. By default, Pixverse will generate your video in HD, which is perfect for most uses. If you want to adjust the quality or select a different resolution, you can do that here. I recommend keeping it at HD for the best results. One cool feature Pixverse offers is the Magic Brush. This tool allows you to remove or adjust certain elements of your image before converting it to video. For example, if you want to remove a background object, you can simply use the brush to erase it. In my case, I don't need to remove anything, but if you do, this is where you would handle it. It's a powerful tool to ensure your final video looks exactly how you want it. Once your image and prompt are set, go to the Performance Mode section. This allows you to choose how fast or slow the AI should process your request. I usually go with the default Performance Mode, which provides a good balance between speed and quality. For more detailed animations, you can choose zoom in or zoom out effects here. I'll select zoom in for this example. Now, all that's right to do is hit the Create button. Sit tight while the AI works its magic. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to process everything and generate your video. Once your video is ready, Pixverse will automatically show you a preview. Let's take a look. This is awesome. You can see that the image is now animated and moving from right to left, just as we instructed. If you're happy with the result, it's time to download the video. You'll see a download button right below the preview window. Click on it, and in just a few seconds, your file will be saved to your computer. Now, let's create another video to see how flexible Pixverse can be. This time, I'm going to upload a different image. Let's go with a portrait of a friend. Just like before, I'll type a new prompt and adjust the duration to 5 seconds. For this video, I'll use the magic brush to remove a building in the background. And I'll choose zoom out for the animation. Once I've set everything up, I'll hit create again and wait for the AI to do its job. Once the second video is ready, I'll give it a quick preview. Look at that, and we have a nice zoom out effect. Pixverse really did a great job here. Let's go ahead and download this one as well, so we have both videos saved on our computer. And there you have it. You've successfully turned your images into animated videos using Pixverse AI, and the best part? It's completely free. Whether you want to create content for social media, presentations, or just for fun, this AI tool has you covered. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.
Bye!